Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nadia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the most powerful hair gels that you can mix with your shampoo, your condition, and this liquid is going to help you to strengthen your hair, and it's going to help you to it's going to nourish your hair follicles, and it's also going to help you to regrow all the edges back, and as well as strengthen your hair. This liquid is one of the most powerful liquid that we all will be using in our hair. So this is basically what we are going to be doing today, and I hope you guys like this video. So the ingredient that I'm going to be using is just only one ingredient, which is onion. Onion is powerful when it comes to hair growth, and is one of the main powerful and strengthening hair properties that we all should be using in our hair if we are in a hair journey, if we are in a hair growth journey. This ingredient is very powerful. It can really help to strengthen your hair. It can really help to prevent all the hair loss that you will be losing and promote a new hair growth. Onion juice can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onion may also help promote collagen products. Collagen is turn helps the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onion juice can also encourage hair growth. It nourishes the hair follicles. It calms a dry, itchy scalp. It also treats alopecia. If you're suffering for any alopecia, I will recommend that you keep using onion juice because it's high in dietary sulfur. This onion juice is very good when it comes to regrow all your hair lost, because I know a lot of people don't like using this because of the smell, but trust me guys, if you really want to bring back all your hair lost, try and use this onion juice. So this is how I prepare my onion juice. It's very easy. As you guys can see, you just have to grate it or you blend it the way you want it to be, and this is basically how the rest is looking. This onion to cook, and here is my liquid, and it's ready to use. Oh, and then I added my olive oil, extra virgin oil, and I mix everything well together, and then I pour it into my condition. A lot of people do mix this liquid into a shampoo, but for me, I feel like it's not working pretty good with the shampoo. I feel like it works better with a condition, because in a condition you can leave your condition in your hair for at least 3 minutes or 5 minutes. This condition that I'm using here, it says you can leave the condition in your hair for 5 minutes. So I feel like this is the best way to really your juice to really grow your hair, because if you apply it into a shampoo, you're just only gonna wash your hair and wash it out for like 1 minute or so. So this is just the best way you can really that onion juice can really help your hair to grow. Or either way, you can apply the juice directly into your hair if you are really suffering for alopecia suffering for any hair loss anymore. You're just only going to be losing a very small amount of hair, and on the other hand, it's gonna help to strengthen your hair and grow back all your edges and give you a healthy length that you are looking for. So this is my hair. It's already prepared, so you can cover your hair with a plastic bag and you can rinse it out in 20 minutes or 15 minutes, depend of the time that you have. So this is it for today, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to give your girl a like, subscribe to this channel if you are watching me for the first time. And yeah, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.